I think I made a big mistake.
1の的的中。2の的。的中。3の的に変えます。1の的的中。2の的的中。缶に位を表す色を付着しておりまして、1のいては黄色、
Hey, hi, I'm back home. I wanted to do a little haul for you and show you what I've bought through the day. I've bought a lot of stuff, like so many stuff, but I really wanted to feel at home and you'll see why. Okay, first I've got some matcha. This is a type of green tea, Japanese green tea with roasted rice. I love this. This is so good, and this was kind of very affordable. It was only like 850 yen for 100 grams. So I love that. I bought also for sure a whisk, and you know what this means. Oh, the top stayed with the bubble paper. If you know what this is used for, you know what I'm gonna show you next. I bought some matcha. I'm super glad about this. I can do them at home. I really want to do some matcha latte at home and stop spending so much money on matcha latte, even though this is more affordable than in France here. This is also more affordable than in France. This is 20 grams and I've paid 8 euros, almost 8 euros. I've paid 1,060 and 600. But some instants too. I'm super excited about it. I basically said to the employee that I wanted it to smell like in the temples, and she recommended this to me, so I can't wait to lit it up. And of course I've got a little support with it, and it's a fushimi inari support. Look how cute this is. Next I've bought, really boring, but I needed it. Hardware, I don't know how to say it. I think it's hardware. Yeah. I didn't have enough storage on my computer, so I was kind of forced to buy it, but boring, but needed. Also, I had to do some grocery shopping, so of course I had to buy some matches for the incense, and really wanted to try this matcha poke. I bought some sweets. I love the grapes sweets here. I love the taste of it. This is sakura mochi. I love them. They're so good, and you have sakura leaves on them. I've bought some dango, which is kind of like mochi but with azuki, which is the bean paste on it. I've bought some sesame oil, a bit boring but to cook. I've bought some vegetables and some gyozas. It's already on the fridge, sorry. I've got some vegetable milk and also regular milk in the fridge. I wanted to try both of them. More toasts for morning. And this is the daifuku. I was really eager to try those. So yeah, but a lot of exciting stuff, but really needed stuff. And let's just lit up the incense, and maybe I'm gonna do a matcha. Hey, I didn't say hello yet to this vlog, so hi, my name is Tina. I love to talk about books, and currently I'm living in Japan. And I wanted to vlog the journey of finishing the Dragon Republic. And this book is such a roller coaster. I'm gonna talk about it much in the wrap up, but yeah, it's such a roller coaster, and sometimes I feel like there's some length to the story, and I'm not a huge fan of Rin. Actually, she's not my favorite character at all. She can be very impulsive sometimes, and I struggle so much with impulsive characters. They're not my favorite, at least not the kind of Rin, even though she's really badass. And I loved how she is condemning, I don't want to spoil, some very misogynistic behaviors, so I love that fact, but also so hard sometimes to to read about what she's doing and the choices she's making. So yeah, I want to take a break a bit from reading the Poppy War trilogy, even though I've read the first book back in December, yeah, and we are in April, but we are in May actually. I'm already tired. I ate, I finished the front of pages new vlog, 24 hours written. It was an hour long, but I went through it so easily, it's like crazy. I just spent an hour with her straight. Loved her vlog. So I finished the Poppy War yesterday night before going to bed. I really wanted to finish this book before going to bed. And I started this morning To Kill a Mockingbird. I wanted to make a sort of short break before continuing the series. I still don't know what I think of it because I've only read 3 pages. I wanted to say initially that I'm really sleepy, so I'm gonna fight the fact that I'm sleepy by reading To Kill a Mockingbird. And it's very gloomy outside because it rained this morning. As you may have seen, it's been pouring rain since this night, since the middle of the night actually, and I'm trying to fight the sleepiness. I don't really want to go out today. I don't want to spend any money because every time I go out I spend so much money. So I've got a lot of things to feel good at home, as you've seen. So yeah, I'm really glad about that, and I feel so good here that I don't really want to go out, especially because of the weather too. So yeah, the plan of the rest of the week is to tomorrow work again. I have volunteering job from 9 to 2 p.m. Maybe in the afternoon I'm gonna work a little bit more, and the day after that I have a day off. So I think I'm gonna enjoy this day, the day off, and I'm gonna stay here and try to read as much as I can and work on the videos and editing and everything. And Japanese, I hope it will not be too boring for you. Let's immerse in how's my life looking in Japan. And this is me, I'm gonna be real with you, so let's do that. Hey, hi. So, as I've said, whenever I'm out, I find some ways to spend money, but let me show you what I found because it was kind of an opportunity I couldn't pass on. As you may have seen already, I found a super cool shirt. Yay! It's a Polo Ralph Lauren shirt. It was second-handed and half the price, and I think it's super cool. And I didn't bring my shirt, my Levi's shirt with me, and I miss it. And yeah, I wanted initially to find a Polo Ralph Lauren shirt. I wanted to find it in a very pale yellow, but they were all long sleeved, and I think it's gonna be very hot this summer, so I'm not gonna be really able to wear them. I don't know. Really thrilled about it because it was initially like 65 euros. I made a deal, okay? I made a deal. It's an investment. And I made another investment. I think I made I think I made a big mistake because since I'm in Japan, I'm looking and I've been obsessed with openings of One Piece card game. And I think I made a big mistake because I might have started a One Piece collection. I bought, it's not even a real pack, it's really just a mix of different boosters, but it was kind of cheap. I think I was not ripped off. It's 200 the boosters. I think it was worth it because just this booster costs normally 500 yen, I think, even more, sometimes 900. So just tell me if you are a fan of One Piece card game, please, let's discuss it. I'm sure there's no real valuable card inside of those boosters, but just the thrill of opening the boosters, I don't know. I might have made a big mistake, guys. I might, yeah. Yeah, I love how everyone is looking at me. I'm still intimidated by filming in public, but yeah, I don't care. We don't care. We don't care. We're confident here, all right? And I think we should just open them together. Let's see. Let's see what's inside of them.
背中も背中裏での海洋工事とかみんな変わってきてるわ。